Hi ma'am, hi sir. I'm Ginaline Pirolioda. I'm 41 years old. I am married. I'm a Filipino. I have four kids. Their age is the first one is 22 years old. The second one is 19 years old. The third one is 16 years old, and the youngest is 13 years old. I am a high school graduate. My experience before, I'm working in Bahrain. I take care of two kids. Their age is 5 years old and 1 year old. Today, my current employer, my work today is take care the baby. They are three. The first one is 6 years old. The second one is 4 years old, and the youngest, I come here still on the tummy, and now she is 1 year and 6 months. Uh, my work here every day is take care the baby first, then after the baby I'm making her sleep, then I clean the room, I wash the toilets, I cooking, I washing the clothes, I wiping, I feeding the baby if the baby is wake up already. uh, I hope mom and sir you heard me, and I'm willing to work with your family. Thank you.